Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover interrogative adjectives. There is a separate playlist of adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available in the description box below. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. What are interrogative adjectives? Interrogative adjectives ask questions and are always followed by a noun. So, as the name suggests, that an interrogative adjective will inquire, it will ask, it will interrogate, right? And they are always followed by noun. Why they'll be always being followed by a noun? What's the reason? The reason is that adjectives by nature are describers of noun and pronouns, right? So they are always placed, or most of the times placed before the noun that they describe. That's why they are always followed by a noun. So the three interrogative adjectives are what, which and whose. So we use what, which and whose as interrogative adjectives to ask question, and they are always followed by a noun. They'll be always having nouns after them, right? So have a look at these examples here. Whose jacket is that on the floor? Whose jacket is that on the floor? So you see a noun jacket, okay, and you're asking the possession, right? Whose jacket, right? So therefore whose is an interrogative adjective over here. The next is which plants should be placed over here. So have a look at the noun plants, and before that we have an interrogative adjective place, that is which. So therefore which is an interrogative adjective. So therefore we've learnt in this video that an interrogative adjective asks questions and they are followed by a noun. So yes guys, this section brings an end to today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular notifications of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box for you to check out. Do not forget to share it with your friends or your family or anyone who needs in case. So until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing.